Oh my god. That piano. Again, they've already spoken once. Still remains. Oh, it sounds like, I don't know what that is, like almost a banjo, or, oh, it's so many sounds at once. It's too much. It's like so much emotion. They're capturing it so well. Like, silence doesn't have a sound, but it's so true! Oh, it's, yes! No, I don't want it to be over. That was... I honestly, I've never heard this song before and everyone always makes jokes about it. Like, they're always... It's always... How dare they? It's not a joke. It's... There are no words to describe it. It's so... profound. And I'm gonna make it a mission to report every video on YouTube that makes a joke out of this song, because it's not a joke. It's deep. It's... If you don't get it, you're just stupid. You don't understand. That's why you make it into a joke, because you don't understand what they're talking about. That's the thing, you don't get it because you're not an intellectual. So yeah, that's all I have to say for now, because I have to go drink some chamomile tea or something, because that was overwhelming, and I'm done. And don't forget to please rate and subscribe.
No.